This video will guide you how you can change your Excel language to English. For this you need to head to the file on the top left corner and click on the more on the bottom left corner, click on the options, and in the Excel option you need to click on the language. And here is the United States Kingdom. English is my preferred language right now. So if you want to make Australian English language to your preferred language, select it and then click on set as preferred and click yes. And here you can see that the Australian English is on the top of the list. And moreover, you can also add a language. Click on that and select any language, for example Arabic Qatar, and click add. And now you can change it as a set as preferred language. So however, in my case I'll be happy with the English United Kingdom and I want to make set as preferred. Click OK and yes, and now click OK. And now this message says you need to restart Office so that your language change can take effect. So you need to start Office again. So click OK. So I hope now you understand how you can change language in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.